Good morning. Today we are going to learn about numeric open-ended question in DataQire. What is numeric open-ended question? Numeric open-ended questions are survey questions that ask respondents to provide a numerical answer to a question without any predefined response options. This type of question allows respondents to provide their own unique answer, usually within a certain range, rather than choosing from a set list of options. Numeric open-ended questions are often used to gather data about numerical values such as income, age, or quantity. How to program a numeric open-ended question in DataQire. Below are the steps to create numeric open-ended question. First, we have to select the section in which we wish to add the question. Once our section is open, select the plus button to open the menu which offers various question types. Now program a numeric open-ended question by clicking Numeric Box button under Open-Ends group. Question details. Enter a unique question ID in Question ID box. For example, Q4. If you wish to add a question title, then enter the same in Question Title box. Question title is only for programming purpose and respondent will never see this text while taking survey. Add a question text which you wish to show to your respondents in Question Text box. For example, how many times per week do you go to the gym? If you wish to a subtext, enter the same in Question Subtext. For example, please provide a number between 0 and 7. Question subtext will appear below question text in survey. In case you want to add a footer text, then enter the same in Question Footer. This text will appear at the bottom of screen. If there is a need to conditionally show the question, then we can always apply filter on this question. Answer options or responses. By default, 2 blank response rows are already provided. Enter the answer options in row. If you have more than 2 rows, then you can add by clicking on plus row button and a new row will be added to response pane. You can also pipe any text in this question. For this we have a icon plus pipe in block, where you can replace a text form its value. Just paste the desired text in the replace box and then select variable by clicking on plus icon. Additionally, you can control the settings for rows by selecting the button with 3 vertical dots. This will open a menu with row settings, where we can add a prefix or postfix, as well as add and remove any row, as well as hide the label, non-mandatory, and enter minimum value and maximum value. You can manage the question settings for this numeric open-ended question by clicking in the setting icon. Capture screen time. Capture the total time spent on the screen for this question. Capture randomization order. Captures the order in which answer options are displayed on respondent screen. Randomize rows. This is checked the rows options will be shuffled randomly and automatically at runtime. None of the above. This option is checked and selected as the exclusive option. Running total. This will shows the sum of all input values. Default max. This refers to a maximum value that has been set by default in a system, data structure, or program. It can also be used to determine the default size or capacity of a data structure, or to set a default value for a variable or parameter in a program. Decimals, numbers between whole numbers, are known as decimal numbers. After that, scroll to the Windows edge to find the options for data layout and render view. You can now view the appearance of the question by choosing the render view. Click the Submit button next. Your numeric open-ended question has now successfully been created.